take the van up to Safiery today. Just waiting on Troy to come home. He's still at the workshop doing a few things to get the van ready to tow all the way up to the GC. The kids are going to Nan's for the night. We're only hoping it's going to be a trip up there, talk to Safiery.
Can I bring my stuff, Mum?
Yeah, you can bring your stuff to Nan's.
Yay!
Nan loves arts and craft. Here we are on the road, Pacific Highway, heading north. We are off to Safiery up at the GC, Arundel, to go and get the brains inserted into our van.
I've been in there already.
No. You're gonna cop these jokes everywhere if you watch our stuff, because that's just the way Troy is, and you'll probably, anyway. When did you book this in?
Early mid-September roughly. Paid the deposit. Been speaking on prior to that, but paid the deposit and locked in the dates mid-September, and we just had to delay twice, I think it was, but it only ended up being a total of 3 weeks, I think it was. And
that were the busiest 2 weeks of your life, hey? It's been non-stop in the workshop just to get it to this stage, like going over the Chrissy break, things shut down, you know, you're spending time with family, and we slacked off, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. How long do you think it will be up here for?
Probably 2 to 3 weeks for them to have it, and then just depends on our schedule as when we get back to pick it up.
Yeah.
So, like, we're not going to be there the day they finish it, but
it'd be nice if we were.
We got a bit on with tournaments and softball and everything coming up.
Work itself.
Work. Actually doing paying work.
Not revolving around our little, I don't know, what would you call it, our little hobby. Hobby soon to become a lifestyle. So even though it's on the back of the moment, it's not fully complete on the interior and exterior. There's still quite a lot of work that we want to do to the exterior. I was only saying to Troy earlier that I don't like the white door. Our whole van is black. The windows are a tinted black, and then there's this white door. So I don't know, we're gonna do a little bit of research there and see what we can do to it. Troy's worried that if you paint it, it won't, you know, be durable for an extended amount of time, but I say stuff it, go for it. Anyway, we'll keep heading up the highway a bit more, and we didn't leave till late today, and then there was a massive storm when we left. I went through Singleton, there was a tree down on a power line, so that took even longer. So, you know what, we're just going to cruise, see where we get to. It's actually not that far. I thought it was further, but it's not that far at all. Oh, I can't handle the truck you're driving, Troy.
No, I just didn't want it to go flying over the crest.
Here he was saying the last time, I don't know when was the last time, I don't know. Maybe the last time he was going like a turtle, but this time, like a bat out of hell. Troy, I got a couple of questions for you. What made you want to build your own van?
I was pressured into it.
Pardon what?
I was pressured into it.
See, he's not helping me make content. If you guys even slightly wanted to get to know us, you can't. Do you know why? Because he talks shit. Look at him. Oh, check out that sun. You should see the sunset
There's
behind
a mobile
us.
speed camera reported ahead.
Why, thank you. He doesn't want to help me make content. He reckons that because he spent all the time building the van and I was only a come along lately the last week, that he doesn't need to be involved in making content. So you have to look at my face, listen to my voice, because he can't say shit.
Not while I'm driving, I'm concentrating.
Can't do two things. Oh,
Take 344.
Hey. I was just popping on here to say for a highway, it's bloody bumpy. But we are now through the bumpy side. You know, Troy and I, we got this thing, right? We love checking out the trucks going down the highway. So
Perfect time of the day for it because it's just 80% trucks.
It's nice, and you know, our boys of Bub, they love doing it as well. And when we were trying to come up with a colour combo for the van, you would actually find us having a look at all the different trucks coming past and working out which colour combo we liked. And we know that whatever it was, it had to work with the agate black of the truck. Yeah, so we're mad pervers of trucks along the road.
One way to put it.
What about these ones? The SRV ones are my favourites. Oh, that one's, oh shit, that's nice.
I've never seen that one.
No, that was, I like that one. Definition of horrible sleep is trying to sleep in this fucking truck.
What a roll over.
Can't roll over. Oh god. So, what is it? I don't even know the frickin' time. 5:45. Look how puffy I am. Oh dear. That, ladies, is what 3 hours sleep will get you. No need to go for this whole Botox look. Lack of sleep in a bad position all night, and that's what you'll get. Anyway, we're going to complete the final leg because I played musical sleeping positions last night. It was so hot. It was that stuffy. Felt like I was gonna die. That's what I said to you. I'm like, what the heck? What can we do? And then you wound down the windows a little bit. And for most of you that don't know, I haven't had a snake in the car, but I've had one on the windscreen of the car, right up in front of me as I've been driving. And so I said to Troy, I said, a snake better not squeeze in there. Because like, they can squeeze in tiny, tiny little places, as you know. And if it's looking for heat, like that shit just freaks me the fuck freaks me out. Give me spiders. Give me spiders any day of the week. And snakes, no. So I was worried that, like, he probably had them down about, I don't know, 20 mil? Not even 20 mil. About 15 mil. About 15 mil. And I was thinking that a snake was going to come in. But then I was like, what do I do? Do I suffocate to death? Because it was that stuffy in here. Or do I die by death of snake?
Meanwhile, we're only on the east coast of Australia. We haven't even got anywhere yet.
Oh, man. And then there was some tool bag that pulled up at the bloody rest area. Because God forbid if anyone else pulls up in the rest area. And he's cleaning out his car at 3:30 in the morning.
I didn't hear a thing. I slipped through.
Oh, he slept through all right. In the driver's seat, mind you, I don't know, you must have just been exhausted. Like, purely exhausted. This has been a long time coming.
Oh, look at the Lamborghini in there.
Holy shit! Got atrocious flash.
Right down the back there. They're not very big sheds, are they?
No, I don't think they work on more than one at a time. So where do you think it is, Willis?
Don't know. Because that just missed a lot of numbers. Fiery right there.
Where?
There.
Right there.
That's a big shed.
Right there.
Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my mom and pop, not the way that I do love you.
Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Ever followed, you know, what's her name? Who's talking to us?
Google Maps.
Google Maps. And you wonder, where on God's earth have you taken me, woman? Only to
Much
see
better.
this. And it is just sensational.
A little bit of farming.
I'll take that. Good work, Google. What a ripper.
Home is wherever I'm with you. Home, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
We're on our way home. We stopped in Armadale last night. Had an awesome sleep. Way better than in the F truck. An hour and a half from home. Hopefully just in time to pick the boys up from school and Delilah from daycare. Anyway, a lot of you, well, a lot of everyone really, they go out and they purchase a van. It's already made. Like, there's not many out there who build their own van from scratch. Like Troy and I, we designed this van and he's gone ahead and he's built it to where it is now. But in saying that, when you go purchase a van, you don't need to think about electrical, wiring, all that sort of stuff. It's all done for you. You're buying your home on wheels. All you got to do is move into it. It's so not the case with us. So it can be a little bit, it can be a little bit misleading, us saying we're building our own van, but we are actually physically building it ourselves. Anyway, it's now at Safiery, as I've harped on quite a bit. And I've only ever mentioned, it's getting its wiring and its electrical and its brains installed and that. For you guys who buy a caravan, the brains, the control panel, all that sort of stuff that makes your van work, it's already there. You've just got to learn how to use it. Well, we're getting ours hooked up at the moment, so I thought it'd be nice if Troy ran through it with you, not exactly, but roughly what it is that they'll be doing.
We have opted to go such a large system. There's it's just shy of 3,000 watts of solar on the roof. The 3,000 watts is not always accessible as an everyday use, pull them up. So I've set it up so 3 of the 6 main panels are on slides which slide out from underneath each other. That way, if we get a bit of shonky weather and we need the extra solar, or we get a bit of really hot weather and we want that extra solar to run the air conditioner, then it's never going to be an issue draining the batteries through the day. As everyone already knows, solar's only as good as when the sun's shining or you're getting that array. So the system we got is almost, and I say almost, infinite. It works out roughly 1200, because it's a 48 volt system, so it will equate back to the everyday 12 volt systems that people are running in their vans. It's equivalent to 1200 amp hours of lithium, which is a substantial amount. We've only ever had the basics of a van and a van package. I don't even think we've had an inverter in a van before.
No, we haven't.
But this inverter, it's which I didn't say that before either, when I was talking about the solar and the battery, the ample amounts of battery. It's an 8,000 watt inverter. So we are a fabrication workshop, welding and fabrication, so I can actually take a small welder with me and I can weld through the power of the van.
So yeah, shout out to the guys at Safiery too, because they've been great to deal with. Like we said earlier, we've had to put them off twice and they were fine. They were okay with that. We didn't lose our spot or anything, and yeah, just easy to deal with. And that's it's all you want in life, is just great communication and down-to-earth people. So yeah, we're gonna head home, nearly there, go see our babes. We play softball, so we've got softball tomorrow in Newey, which we're excited for. The kids play, I play, Troy plays, even Delilah plays, and she's only 4. So yeah, anyway, we'll leave it there and see how we go. Cheers guys.